Hello students, today in this session we will start our new poem, The Road Not Taken. So The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. The poem is relevant to our life. The poet says that he was faced with the option of two paths in the woods. This is similar to the career option we have in life and choose one out of them. As you can see in the picture here, the poet is standing and before him he faced two roads and that he is confused which road is better for him. So this poem says the option that comes in your life, then use your wit and choose wisely and correctly which one is better for you. So let's move to the poet. About the author, the Robert Lee Frost, March 26, 1874, January 29, 1963, was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. He is highly regarded for his realistic depiction of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech. Frost was honored frequently during his lifetime, receiving 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry. He became one of America's rare public literary figures, almost an artistic institution. He was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetical works. Good. Let's move to the central idea of this poem. The poem revolves around a general problem that one faces in life. It is of making choices in life. Here the poet says the road, a path which you had not taken, not walked over that path. Means the road not taken means the path which you had not taken or not walked over that. So here the life gives us many opportunities that one has to take a decision and stick to it. One cannot get everything in life. The decision taken can sometimes be wrong also, but the choices has to be made. The choices affects our life, but the step once taken cannot be retraced, cannot be come back. So students, two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be a one traveler, long I stood and looked down as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here the poet saying that he was standing in a yellow wood. Yellow wood here is the autumnal forest, means a forest which with the decomposing leaves they have turned yellow in color. So he was standing in a yellow wood and where the two roads were separated, and this that he when he came across two paths, two choices at an important stage of his life. Yellow wood here the symbolic word, the crucial time moment of his life. So and he knew that he had to decide to take one, as he was just one traveler. Just it is written, sorry I could not travel both, be a one traveler, long I stood. So, as he was just one traveler, he could not have taken both the road at one time, even if he wanted to do so. He had to make a choice. So, he looked down as one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Here undergrowth means bushes. So here he stood on that road and looked down the road as far as he could, and he also looked down where this road is curved in the bushes. So students, move to the second paragraph. Then took the other as just as fair and having perhaps the better claim. Better claim means here good option, and fair means good road. So here the poet inspected both road. Then finally he decided other road, but both road looked similar. Just because it was grassy and wanted where though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So first the poet inspect both road and that he finally decide this second road will be better, and it is just as fair and having perhaps the better option. But it, because it was grassy and wanted way, because it was grassy, it was not used, no one has traveled or walked on that road, and wanted where. So this road was full of grass and no one had traveled on that road. It was less traveled by the passerby. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. But as the poet passed on that way, he found that both road had been used or worn by the passerby for the same purpose. Here you can understand that for the about the same means, so had worn, had used, has used, and them means here two roads really about the same purpose. So I think all you would have understood. So students, move to the third paragraph. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. And this, I doubt if I should ever come back. So both road that morning appeared same. Leaves had not turned black. That morning both road the equally lay means they appeared same, and leaves had not turned black because it was not crushed by the footstep. Both roads were fresh. Not trodden black means both roads were fresh. The leaves were not turned black. Leaves are fresh, so I left one for another day. So I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. That the poet is trying to make us realize that whatever option we choose in our life, we go on further, and we will not get facility to go back. Yes, student, you will understand, try to understand this, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. So this when you you choose the option, then you will not get the facility to go back on that path. So choose wisely whatever you want. Whatever you want, just as you are choosing after 12th commerce field, commerce section, and that this commerce leads to another road, means you can complete your MBA according to this due to this connected with this subject, you can do you can go and select another field. But if you want to come back from that and try and think that I will choose science or maths, that this facility will not be given to you. So choose wisely, and the subject that is for you better. So move to the fourth paragraph. I shall be telling this with shy. Somewhere, ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all differences. The poet here is saying that with this a long deep breath, he is saying with this, with a sigh, with a long deep breath, which can be heard in the future. As a result, he recollect past. So somewhere is in his hands, the two road diverged in a wood. Again, this lines is repeated by the poet. The two road diverged in a wood. The choices come in his life. He didn't mind facing obstacle. And I took the one less trouble by, and that has made all the differences. So here the poet's saying that he didn't mind facing obstacle and hardship so that he could be a winner. Later he realized that if he wanted, he could change the path. But he doubted if he would ever do that. At time past, the poet finds that life has not been easy, but looking back, he feels that he has been successful because the choice he made. So one thing here that here the poet want to say that if we make wrong choice, we have to regret for it and cannot go back of it. So we must be wise and must be make choices wisely. The poet here is want to he says that he wanted to do something different in his life. He doesn't regret his choices in one's life, and that the poet, with this poem, we think that he was very challenging. He accepted all the challenges in his life, so he accept the challenging path. So thank you. I think students all you would have understood, read it well,